Hey everybody, Ryan Snow with Western Heating and Air. Today I want to talk to you about some of the ways that you can save money on your utility bill. So let's talk about some things that we can do to make sure that we're getting the most money out of our cooling dollars. Two of the biggest appliances that you have that are going to take energy is your furnace and your air conditioner. So the first thing that we want to focus on, cleanliness. Number one, make sure your air filter is clean. Check it often. If you're not sure, pull it out, hold it up to a light. If there's not a lot of light coming through, you know it's time to change it. Some filters will last a year. Some of them you may have to change every single month. The furnace side of it, a lot of the same issues there as well. Filter number one, there's some things that we need to test to make sure that they're clean during a routine maintenance. Really important to have a professional tune them up each year. In fact, some studies will show that you can save up to 30% by having your system professionally tuned up and rejuvenated. On the outside unit at your condenser, you'll want to make sure that everything is nice and clear from there. Keep away the shrubs. It needs to have a lot of airflow through there. Watch out for those cotton trees. They can really plug up a condenser fast. Try to wash them off with a hose or have a professional come out and clean them up for you as well. You don't want to damage any of the fins out there. They're really thin, made out of aluminum, and they can get bent over quickly. These are some really good tips that'll help you save as much as 30% off of your utility bill. Big savings by keeping it clean and tuned up properly. If you have more questions, visit our website, westernheatingair.com, or give us a call and we'll be glad to talk to you.